Yahya from the Emirates, he says that why is there a lecture before prayer? Now, I don't know if Yahya is referring to what some countries do, and that is they come to the local masjid and the imam gives a lecture. Other than the two khutbahs of Jum'ah, he gives a lecture and he sits and talks for a half an hour or 45 minutes, and then the imam comes, or he comes and sits on the pulpit and says assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and the muadhin gives the adhan, and then he offers two khutbah in Arabic in a not a shell, and then he prays two rak'ahs of Jum'ah. I don't know if he's referring to this or not. This is an innovation. This is totally prohibited. Some say, yes, but we need to address the community. Akhi, address the community in the khutbah itself, in your own native language, not through what you are doing at the moment by giving a lecture. And the Prophet ﷺ prohibited giving a lecture before Jum'ah. And it's an issue of dispute, but the Prophet prohibited the issue of making circles before Jum'ah. And the majority of scholars say that this is not part of the Sunnah. And he may, that is our friend Yahya, be referring to the two khutbahs of Jum'ah. Why do we pray, or why do the Imam give this lecture or this oration before the Friday prayer? The simplest answer is because this is the weekly custom of the Prophet ﷺ. This is the Sunnah. This is the format of the prayer. So it's totally different than any other prayer, with the exception of Salat al-Jum'ah is totally different than any other prayer. Nothing is like it. It's not like Dhuhr, it's not like any other prayer. So this format was given to us and taught to us by the Prophet ﷺ.